Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another post tummy tuck workout video. So as usual, I am just showing y'all what I am looking like prior to my workout, letting y'all see how flat I am, and so that way we can compare it to my after. And I was requested to do another one of these videos by one of my viewers. I will put her comment to the side so you guys can see. Shout out to her. All right, so right now I'm just putting on my little janky J-scope belt. And y'all, the reason why I say janky, because as before, the Velcro on this thing just does not last. I had it for over a year, and if you plan on getting one, just know the Velcro is going to give you issues, okay? All right, so moving right along, ladies, before I start my workout, I like to do a quick warm-up session, and I like that warm-up to be some type of cardio. A lot of times I will either choose the treadmill or the Stairmaster or the elliptical, and today I decided to go with this lovely elliptical. And ladies, the reason why I normally choose the elliptical over the treadmill, I love the treadmill. However, the elliptical is a lot easier on my knees. Now, I say that as if I'm 80 or 90 years old, but that's just the truth. The treadmill, depending on if you just want to do a quick walk or run, it can wreak havoc on your knees. And so the elliptical does not put a lot of pressure on my knees, so I choose to go with that instead. And I get a really good cardio workout on this elliptical, y'all, trust me. All right, so I generally likes my warm-ups to be about 15 to 20 minutes. I like to do at least a mile or a mile and a half. Today I did a little over a mile and I did about 18 minutes, burned about 107 calories. So done with that. Now I'm looking at my Apple Watch. I like to check my heart rate, make sure that it's where it needs to be. It's dropping because I'm not in movement, so that's good. All right, and so after that, ladies, I decided to come over to the dumbbells and do some quick squat sessions. I was gonna go with the 30-pound, but then I decided to let's go with the 20, because let's be honest, I'm not a professional. All right, so I like to do intervals of these. I like to do at least 3 sets of each. So I'll start out with a regular squat, and I'll do 3 sets of those, and then I'll go into a side squat, and then I'll do 3 sets of those, and then I'll go into back and arm work and do 3 sets of those. And ladies, none of these exercises bother my stomach. It does not bother my incision. It does not bother my diastasis recti muscle. I get a pretty good smooth workout in without any problems. And I'm 6 months post-op at this point. I know it looked like I ain't doing much, but I cut a lot of the workout session out of the video so the video wouldn't be super long. But I did like a whole hour of working out and chopped that down to 7 minutes. Because y'all probably like, girl, you ain't even did nothing, but I really did. Moving on to this section of Planet Fitness. This is like a moving workout, meaning that they have that red light up there that you guys just seen, and you see all of these machines here. So what happens is you get on a machine, and once the light turns green, as you've seen, you start using the machine. And then you keep going on that machine until the light turns red, and that's when you'll know to stop and move on to the next machine. And you can get a quick 30-minute workout depending on what all you're trying to do over in this area. And ladies, this is a terrible angle, but I did not have anywhere else to set my phone. This is a machine that works your upper and your lower back. All right, so now that we're all done, let's take off this belt. You see the sweat? You see the sweat? And let's see how everything is looking. I don't feel like I have any swelling. Everything is still looking right and tight. And before I get ahead of myself, ladies, let me just show y'all. I think I got some definition coming into these abs. I mean, look at that. Boom. If I'm reaching, sis, just tell me. So after my workout, I decided to go and try the massage chair area at Planet Fitness. It comes with your monthly membership, so why not? So after getting in a chair, it gives you a good 10-minute session for the massage. And you can also adjust the settings, to be how fast you want it to massage your back and your legs, all those areas, or how hard you want it to massage. Yeah, I thought it was pretty good, for the membership. I really enjoyed it. All right, ladies, so that's pretty much a wrap. Thank y'all for watching. See you next time.